All right, this is what? December 26th,
19.
2010. And this is, without a doubt, the biggest snow we've had year to date.
Think so?
Right now on the ground, we have, my mother just measured about 9 inches.
Still going strong?
Yep, and you can see people are out and about shoveling. And
Can you hit
believe it or not, it is not very slippery right now because most of the snow is still on the ground and not packed. You get a lot of traction from that, but the biggest mistake people make is driving in the tracks, and as soon as they make those tracks, they ice up within a matter of 10-20 minutes. Yeah, and that's where you get really, really slippery. So as we're driving now, we're going to make our own tracks. We're heading out to JCPenney. They're having doorbuster sales today, and we're banking that not a lot of people are going to go out. Are you in four-wheel drive right now?
He says he is. He better be. Gil, you put that thing in four-wheel drive. I don't trust you with the dang. Put that in four-wheel drive right now.
I said four-wheel drive.
Put it. You swear to God.
Yes, four-wheel drive.
You swear to Jesus.
That's right.
Jesus
Drama.
I don't believe you. Gil, is it in four-wheel drive? Seriously?
No.
No, it's not in four-wheel drive.
You promised me you would. I knew you. That's not fair to lie to me like that.
I'm neither.
I want four-wheel drive. I feel safer.
Now you can tell the difference immediately. There's no more slipping and sliding or fishtailing once it's in four-wheel.
Why was it?
Yes, you were.
I can feel it.
I could feel it too.
We're not done. Just don't go too fast, please. Yep. You don't be out.
Stick it around.
See, and this is even slipperier than it was when I went out this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Because everything's packed down right now.
It is icy. And this area is icy.
Here's the worst part when you come up to these intersections and try to go. If you don't have a four-wheel drive, you're not moving anywhere.
Nice. We have 2 four-wheel drive
Right
hits.
now we are going about 25 miles an hour. Pushing more towards 30. It is 11:30. As you can see, most of the businesses over here are closed. Chinese restaurants closed. The only thing open is Food Lion.
Look at him fishtail all over the place.
He's not a good driver, man. He's got chains on him.
Is he serious?
I think he has chains.
Eagle, can you hit your power lock so I can at least open the window and clean it off a little bit?
Yeah, I guess they have chains.
Green light.
Yep.
What?
You hit your. I guess this window's not working. You must have a lock. I just want to clean it off so I can see it. Thank you. At least I can see it.
Oh yeah, you can definitely feel it. First snowplow I've seen all day.
I don't know if it's going somewhere. They're actually throwing snow.
Might have been the contract.
We're very lucky. We don't live down the street from the mall.
Yeah. And a quarter of a mile from the nearest store. I feel bad for people that live out in Waverly and rural areas of Suffolk. They're not going anywhere today.
We'll go to Walmart and be back. We gotta hit Penny's and Macy's.
It is really, really bad. lot of damage. People try to get out, they really shouldn't be driving. Yeah, you can feel this is all very packed down ice.
I think that most people that are out of four-wheel drive now,
Or all-wheel drive. See, a lot of these new SUVs now, what is that, Nissan and Toyota, they all have all-wheel drive. Yeah, or at the very least, traction control. Oh, it's a Toyota Highlander. And we are here. We're heading towards the mall. Kind of making me nervous that nobody's there.
Am I supposed to make it right now?
Yeah, turn right here.
they could have closed.
Well, Penny's was supposed to be open today.
Never know. Employees can't come in. They can't bring it in.
There are not a lot of places open right now.
Probably never even got the parking lot. So.
Now,
Very possible it's closed.
this the only thing I've seen open so far are restaurants and supermarkets.
Corral's not open either.
Yeah, it is. You see all the people in the parking lot? Penny's is open. Penny's is definitely open. Yeah, I can see all the cars there. And I can even see the tractors. They're starting to plow. There it is. The cats, they'll make quick work of this. But yeah, it looks like Penny's open. I see a few cars over there. Well, we'll let you know what we got on the way out. We are leaving the mall, and we just went. We went to Penny's first, but they closed after 20 minutes. They want to let their employees get home, and then we headed over to Macy's and got a few things. And we're just pulling into Walmart right now. And there's still quite a few people here. I'm surprised. I guess people aren't as afraid as I thought to come out here. We've probably gotten, I would say as of right now, we've probably gotten about 10 inches. We measured it when we left about an hour ago, and it was right at 9. And I've noticed everybody's out, pretty much has their SUVs with them. Very few cars out on the road right now. You see, it looks like somebody hit that tree. All right, everybody, we're heading home. If you can believe it or not, this Walmart Supercenter that's open 24 hours is closed. They closed, we just got out and they closed at 1 o'clock. They still have probably, I'd say close to 100 customers in line, but they're going to be closing after that. You can see the plows are out. Got these big caterpillars. And everything is iced up.
Oh, the slush is freezing.
Yeah, even in a four-wheel drive, you can feel it.
Yeah. Go slow.
It's all ice right now.
Go slow.
Feel that.
My chocolate count?
What?
Want one of those lit chocolates?
Yeah.
Here. Can't reach back. Gotta wait.
See how slow these people are going.
That's the thing is scares when people are on the side of you because they might slide.
Right, and people around here sometimes don't drive as slow as they need to. Like I was out this morning, and I had this person try to actually pass me on a road that was really only one lane because all the rest was like covered with 6 inches of snow. And what I actually did was block the guy so he couldn't get by me, because I knew if he tried to get by me and he was on a curve, he would fishtail and just hit me. And I was probably going 25 at the time. He had to have been going 30. Oh, look at this. This guy's stuck.
Yep. No lights on?
I think it's grapefruit.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, you know what it is. You can't go because then you've got to reload.
Well, you're in the middle like that.
Like everything's closed. Look at these poor people.
See a light?
Wow.
I'm surprised it's even the road's as good as it is. Huh?
Very, yeah. Well, you still get a lot of travel from the people from Walmart. I bet you get a few miles away from this, completely snow covered. And you can see the plows have finally been out. You can tell. You should see the side streets. If you look down one of these side streets, you can see that they haven't even been touched. The snow is still completely covered.
Most of the people are out four-wheel drive.
There's a van that I'm sure is not four-wheel. Yeah, they did. And they plowed at least once, I'd say. They are bad, the roads. All that pressed down stuff you're seeing is ice. Just the salt can't melt it. It's pressed down so much. We have this idiot who's right in the new fallen snow, who's going to go too fast and probably cause an accident. That's exactly why, if you don't have to go out in this weather, you don't go out in this weather. Well, that's it for now. I just wanted to show everybody these people are stuck.
Yeah, they have the light.
They have been trying to move, and all they do is spin tires. Again, that's why you do not come out without a four-wheel drive.